everybody, this is Mega Killer Whales, and I would like to share you some of my collection of Breyer horses. We basically collect traditional ones, 1:9 scale, but we only have one classic, and it's Ariat. He's just gorgeous. That's how we take him. Have the halter here. Yep, he's amazing. This is Dreamer from the movie. This is similar to Dreamer, just original thoroughbred. And this is Commander Riker, and yeah, he's in a blanket and a halter. He's just adorable. Just love him. Okay, this is Sapphire, the same mold. She's also gorgeous. Yeah, she's amazing. Yep. Just love her. This is Rachel Alexander. She's gorgeous as well. Okay, this one. Let's start here. This is original quarter horse. You saw her from one of the videos when I was opening her. She's wearing Breyer English saddle and a bridle. This is Fuego. He's wearing one of the race saddles, custom made. He's adorable. This is another quarter horse with a shorter tail. He's gorgeous as well. And this one is Cigar. Yeah, I just love his mold. He's just adorable. Look at this. Gorgeous. Oops, stay. Okay. This one is Mail Order. He's adorable. Yep. Gorgeous. This one is Athlete Alex. He's wearing his blanket and his halter. He's adorable as well. This one is Cloud9, and he's also wearing a dressage bridle and dressage saddle from Breyers. Oh, yeah, he's just adorable. Love him. He's gorgeous. Okay, and this is Yellow Slew, one of my favorites, and it was so hard to find him. Thank God I did. And he's wearing a Breyer racing saddle. It was so hard to find this set since it was retired, but he's so gorgeous with this. He's adorable. Love him. Yep. And this one is Biko. Also gorgeous mold. Just love his eyes, so adorable. Okay. This is Raxtor Riches. He's gorgeous. I just love him. Look at this. Love his color. He's so cute. Adorable. Okay, so let's start with this. This is Appaloosa. Just love it. She's adorable. I don't have any show names. I just call them, like, this is Seabiscuit, so I call him Seabiscuit. Like their Breyer names. He's gorgeous. This one is War Admirer. I put him a halter. Even though he's wearing a halter, I just love to put the red one. He's gorgeous. Look at this. Yep. War Admirer. This one, Milton. I've been looking for this for long, since it's a retired mold. And I found him. Yay! So gorgeous. Love his color. This is the only Breyer I have in white colors. This one is a red rum. and he's wearing a custom made tux. It's a race tux. Yep, he's a racer. Yay! He's gorgeous. Love him. Love his color and everything. And the last one, this is Celtic. He's also wearing his dressage saddle, custom made. He's gorgeous. The same as Cloud Knight mold. And he have a sign here, if you can see. It was signed by somebody, I'm not sure. But he's gorgeous. Yep. Adorable. So this is our collection so far. Yeah, we started collecting around last month, and that's how far we went. So far we have 22 briars, and we're still waiting for 8 more. Will be coming shortly, and we'll be making a new video, basically a barn tour, but I can show you some of the barns over here. So this one's just 2 stall barn, basically wooden, from briars. And basically here all the stuff we got a little bit. It's still working on it. It's like cross teeth over here, so we're gonna put a horse here. Still working on that. This is one of the big barns we got. Yeah, still working on it too. There's the brush, yay. But that's how far we went so far with this barn. We got some shredded things. Yep, that's our barn. And the last barn we have so far is like this one, with the sliding doors and everything. It's gorgeous, yeah. We're gonna put few horses here. And yeah, that's basically it. This is basically our collection. Not big. Still working on it, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.